Hey everybody, so today I'm just going to be doing a quick technical analysis on a coin called Matic, but this is going to be based upon purely on retracement levels, and this video is done for the purpose of if Bitcoin does come down to $30,000 level, or if we break it and we go lower to $28,000 to $26,000 level, and these levels will be in effect. But if they do not, then that means that we got to carry on, and what I'm discussing here will be invalid. So first things first, guys, I just want to point out that it's not financial advice, neither am I a financial advisor. If you're going to be investing in a coin, you should do your own research. This is just my technical analysis and my perspective on how I see it. Doesn't necessarily mean what I see or what I say is the absolute truth. It could occur many different ways, doesn't necessarily have to play out like this. So first things first, guys, I'm just going to pull this up on a daily level, and we'll pull a retracement on it, and we'll run it from the low to the high. As we see right here, guys, levels of support, the 64 cents area, 37, a lot of consolidation was done around that area, 87, $1.26, and currently right now on the daily we're holding the 0.5, which is around $1.53. We just bounced off it, which also aligns up with the 20 EMA. And also, guys, as we've seen after this major move, which was done once we broke out right here from the 38 cents area, and then we made a move up all the way to $2.60, $2.70 area, which is roughly a 650% move. After that 650% move, once Bitcoin started doing a major dive, what happened here? We came down all the way to down 72%, which came down to 74 cents. So these areas that I'm going to be discussing is possible. We can reach these areas. It all depends on Bitcoin. If you're going to be investing in the market, or if you're going to be trading, you need to be watching the market. And also, these areas I'm going to be discussing, these are not, these could play out as accumulation areas, but most likely we're going to be concentrating on oversold bounces, areas that we can get an oversold bounce. Like as we see right here, it did come down to $2.52. Now it's up at $2.68. We could possibly see resistance around the $1.77 area, but it all depends on what Bitcoin does. So these areas right here, guys, the 37 cents and the 64 cents, these areas are in the worst case scenario. We could also add this right here, the 77 cents area. There's been consolidation, act as resistance support. These are in the worst case scenarios. Like if you can see, come down at 38 cents or the 62 cents. These are areas that we will get a bounce. So the reason why I'm talking about this, guys, these are coins that are highly liquid. They have high trading volume. If you're going to be looking for bounces, you need to be looking for bounces on coins that will that have high volume. Basically, you'll be able to, the bounces will work out a lot better than if you're going to be trying to get a bounce off a coin that is doesn't have that much volume. And also, it is a large cap coin. It's a $10 billion market cap. These are the coins that you want to be buying at a discount, and these are the coins that will recover faster than small cap coins. So that is why we are focusing our attention on these coins. And as we see on the daily, guys, this coin is extremely bullish. If you compare it to any other coin after that dip, all the majority of coins that you can see that are on the 200, barely breaking it, almost breaking it, or that are under the 200 moving average on the daily. And here, as we see, we were just over the 9 EMA. Once we came down all the way down to the 76 level, we caught a bounce off the 50, and we shot right back up, almost close to all-time highs. So if there is a significant move down to the downside on Bitcoin, we will get a nice bounce. And it all depends on the severity of the move on Bitcoin. So you need to be watching Bitcoin. So are we going to come down to the 50 at $1.13? Can we get a bounce down here? That's possible. That's the 50. $1.13 is the 50 EMA on the daily. If this does not hold, we will come back and we'll test the 76 level, sorry, under the 76 level, which is roughly around the 77 cents mark. It acted as consolidated many times here, acted as support, acted as resistance. There was a lot of price action around this area on the daily, and this is an area that we want to be looking out for. So if it does come around here, we will put in a double bottom, and it all depends what happens. In my in my opinion, if Bitcoin does break $30,000 level and we test 28, we could get a really nice bounce. It all depends on how strong Matic is, how much money is being put in Matic, and is that bounce, are we going to come lower or are we going to double bottom? And also, so these are the areas that you want to be looking out for on the daily, guys, which is, this is the worst case scenario I'm talking about, 38 cents to 64 cents. Area that you also want to be paying attention to is the 77 cents, 86 cents, $1.13. You want to be looking out for $1.26, and currently right now we're on the 20. So this area right here, if it actually holds this area, it's extremely risky because the current levels of where Bitcoin's at, there's still a lot of fear in the market, and there's undecisiveness. So we do not know if this area, if Bitcoin will hold $34,000 level, which it is at currently right now. And so what you want to be doing, guys, so what we'll do here, we'll open this up on a lower time frame. We'll get some more retracement levels. We'll pull this up from the low to the high. $1.41. $96. This will occur if this will actually be really bullish. If it does come down to 96, we don't double bottom and we hold this area, we can get a nice bounce on the 4 hour here. So these are the areas that you want to be looking out for, guys. At 37 cents, like I mentioned, this is in a worst case scenario. 62 cents, 77, 80, 87 and 96 cents area, $1.13, $1.26, and $1.41 and $1.50. So this is where we are currently right now. Are we going to be able to make a move up from here or not? It all depends on what Bitcoin does. Like I mentioned, we are in a long weekend. So the areas that you want to be looking out for, guys, on Bitcoin is, I mentioned in my previous videos, are we going to come, we did come right around here, the 34,000, sorry, we did come all the way down to 33.6 or 33.7 area, and are we going to descend, or are we going to test this $33,000 area? And if we do, are we going to hold it, or are we going to make a move up to the top of range? So this is what we need to be paying attention for. So if this is the bottom right here, and then if we make a move up, possible areas of resistance are going to be in shorter time frames at $35,000. After the $35,000, the 36.5, 37, and if we're able to break the $38,000 level, in my opinion, then we'll take a shot at $42,000, and we'll see if it's an actual breakout or is it a fake out, and we'll continue descending. So it all depends on the volume. It all depends on how much money is going to be coming into the market. So this is what you need to be looking out for. So if you are trading, or if you are investing, whatever it is that you're doing, that you should be paying attention to Bitcoin. It is risky to trade, and it is risky to invest at these current times. There's no confirmation that we're going to be going up or we're going to be going down. A lot of undecisiveness. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's my view on Matic, and if you guys did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye bye.